And there's a big political storm in Maharashtra after the Enforcement Directorate issued summons to Sena MP Sanjay Raut's wife in connection with the ongoing PMC bank scam case. Raut's wife, Varsha, will not be going to ED office today. She is likely to appear before the ED officials on 5th of January. This was ED's third summons to Varsha Raut. Sanjay Raut has denied all the charges, calling ED's move politically motivated. Remember, Raut's wife is under scandal over 50 lakh rupees transaction with the wife of another PMC bank scam accused Praveen Raut.
आज जो बुलाया गया था आप लोगों ने वक्त मांगा है?
डेफिनेटली हमने वक्त मांगा है।
सर कब तक का वक्त मांगा है?
2-4 दिन का वक्त मांग लेंगे हम, ऐसा कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है।
जी जी,
हमारे पास छुपाने के लिए कुछ नहीं है।
जी,
जो भी है हमारे पास उसका पूरा ब्यौरा हमने एफिडेविट में दिया है, पार्लियामेंट के इनकम टैक्स के जो रिटर्न भरते हैं उसमें दिया है। जो छुपाने वाले होते हैं वो भाग कर चले जाते हैं
जी,
या एजेंसी को मैनेज करने में लगते हैं।
जी,
हमको कोई जरूरत नहीं।
Mustafa Sheikh joins us from Mumbai for the very latest in this story. Mustafa, yesterday we heard Sanjay Raut in that press conference saying that we are not afraid of anybody. There is no foul play. It was just a 50 lakh rupees borrowing that the wife had done from a friend to buy a house. If he has nothing to hide, then why is it that he's letting his wife, or his wife for that matter, going ahead and skipping the summons? Because of course the wife is acting on behest of Sanjay Raut, given that this is politically now charged up completely in terms of she's not a politician herself, but it's got political overtones.
Well, yes, you cannot deny the political overtones, and hence it looks like there is some planning with the Shiv Sena going on, and hence this time has been sought. The Shiv Sena, since the time the notice was received, is trying to make a comeback on the BJP. So asking for time to appear before the ED definitely has some political connotations, because there is something which is brewing. And the Shiv Sena is, if you look at Sanjay Raut's press conference, he was very aggressive in the way he was speaking, and it looks like there are some political updates which will come again from Maharashtra, an exchange of court cases and arrest between the BJP and the MVA government, and hence this time has been sought by Sanjay Raut. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thanks so much for getting us up to speed with the very latest. Sanjay Raut's wife, Varsha, is going to be skipping the ED summons today. Questions are going to be raised on that front.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.